Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, our productivity is directly depends on our focus. If our focus is strong, then our productivity will increase and we will get success in our every work. So today I am sharing some yoga therapies. They will clear your focus and they will make strong your focus. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy, that is Brahmari. For that, sit on your mat or you can sit on your chair also. For that, first relax your breath, relax your body with a straight spine. Take deep inhale with Om chanting. Inhale. Now the Brahmari, take the posture, close your ears from your thumbs and close your eyes from fingers like this and inhale from your nose and chant Om like humming bee from your closed mouth like this. Minimum 20 times in a day practice this yoga therapy. That will increase your focus. Again with me. After 20 times, slowly release the posture. Minimum 20 times and maximum as much as you can practice it. Now the next one, yoga therapy is Bhastrika. For that, same position, sit with a straight spine, straight shoulder. In this therapy, inhale from your nose and fill the full air in your lungs and forcefully exhale like this. Practice with me. Minimum 10 times, maximum 20 times in a day. Practice it. Again with me. Deep inhale, fill the air in your lungs. After 10 times or 20 times, relax your breath, relax your posture and relax your breath. Simultaneously, inhale. After 3, deep inhale, chant Om. Again relax your breath, slowly open your eyes. So friends, Do these yoga therapies regularly and increase your focus and your productivity. Namaste, take care and be connected.